Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Facebook Instant Forms to your CRM. You can connect it to Google Sheets. You can connect it in a way where whenever you get a lead through Instant Forms, you can receive a text directly to your phone. I'm gonna show you how you can set this up in your Facebook Ads Manager. It's really simple. And guys, this is gonna help you in terms of not having to go into your Ads Manager anytime you get leads and having to download them. Whenever you get any leads through your Facebook ads, it goes directly to your Google Sheets, to your as a text message, so you can follow up with the customer a lot more quicker and a lot more easier. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up. Before I carry on, I'm doing a free masterclass. The link is in the description. I'll be showing you guys how to get more customers, more leads, and to get more growth in your businesses using Facebook ads. I'm going to be showing only new strategies in there. So sign up to the free masterclass. The link's in the description. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hi guys. So I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook Instant Forms to your Google Sheet, to your text. So whenever you get someone who signs up to an instant form, you get a text. Or whenever someone signs up to your instant form, their details are going to be sent straight to your Google Sheet. So it's very simple. It's very simple. And I'll show you other things as well that where you can connect the data that you get from Facebook Instant Forms to wherever you want to send them to. And it's pretty simple because I've noticed that a lot of people don't know how to do this, and they run instant form ads and then they go into the back end and it just downloads the names and stuff like that. You ain't got to do all of that. You ain't got to do all of that. That can be automated, completely automated. So all you got to do, again, we are in the trusted Facebook Ads Manager, the greatest ads manager in the world. And so here we go here and we click create. Then we click leads. Then all you got to do is click continue. Once you click continue, you click manual leads campaign. Then after you've done that, you click continue again. And here we are in the campaign level. So all we got to do is again, buying type, make sure it's leads. We can turn on advantage campaign, and then the campaign budget will be 20 a day or something like that, whichever. All right. I tend to always do 20. I tend to always do 20, right? When I'm showing you as an example and when I am doing it for my own ads and doing ads for my clients, especially testing new audiences and stuff like that. I always do 20. Then once you've done that, you want to click next. And here you've got your options of where you want to collect the leads. So you can click on instant forms. Then once you scroll down and you pick your audience, then you click next. And then right here, you can create your form. So you just click here, and then you can start to build out your instant form. Now, this is the part where you put in the information that you want to get from your lead. Is it their name, their email address? You can ask further questions to create this form. Now, once you've done that, a lot of people make the mistake of just creating the form and then running ads to it. And then they'll get leads and then they have to go in and then download. You ain't got to do all of that. Once you've created the form, all you got to do is this. You go here. All you got to do is you want to click on all tools right here. All you got to do is you want to click on all tools right here. Then you want to go to instant forms and you want to click on instant forms right here. Once you have selected instant forms, you got to go to here. So any forms that you have run in the past will appear here. But because this is a dummy account, an account that I really use, there's no forms here. But for those of you who run instant forms, you'll see forms in here. Then you go to CRM setup. Then once you click on CRM setup, here it says view, manage, and automatically receive leads in your CRM by connecting it to Facebook. So you don't have to go into Facebook to download the leads and go through that manual process. It's done automatically. To connect it to your Google Sheet, all you got to do is click here and right here. You select Google Sheet, you follow the steps, and you're good to go. For those of you who want to get a text message so you can then call the customer or call the lead, what you got to do is type in SMS, and here you're going to be shown all these different options. So for those of you, you may be using Zapier, you may be using ClickSend, you may be using High Level, Go High Level. You could be using any one of these other things that is a CRM system where the leads can be fed into, where you can then call, contact, email, etc., etc. That's how you do it. So if I wanted a text every time someone gave me a lead, I just click on ClickSend and then follow the steps and then connect it. So when I start running my ads and I start getting leads, I'll be getting those text messages. And then I can be quick enough to get through to the customer and say, hey, we've just received your lead, etc., etc. You want a quote? How can we help you? And all that good stuff. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Yeah. And it's going to make things a lot easier for you. But you do this through instant forms. You have to choose the instant forms option. If you're sending leads to your website, it's different, because if you're sending them to your website, then you obviously already should have a CRM system connected on the back end, maybe a MailChimp, maybe something ConvertKit, maybe something on the back end that is capturing those leads, right? To communicate with them and to nurture them and all that good stuff. So that is how you do it. They have so many CRM systems. It doesn't matter which one you're using. High Level is here. Like, it doesn't matter which one you're using. You're gonna find the one that you are using in here. But if you don't have a CRM system, you could just simply connect it to Google Sheet. And then you can have you or your team members start nurturing and selling and even contacting the leads. So guys, that is how you connect your instant forms to your CRM system. So when you run ads, the leads are going into your CRM system, so it's easier to contact as well as nurture the leads. As usual, if you found this very useful, click the link in my description to attend my free masterclass, where I'll be showing you even more tips and tricks with Facebook ads and Instagram ads to help you get more sales, more leads into your business. And as usual, I'll be back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Take care.